this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Huion Pen Tablet on a phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of pen tablet you have from Huion, you can easily connect and use it in conjunction with your phone. So you will be able to connect it directly to your device, and usually you don't have to download any piece of software, so it is going to be plug and play. All that you have to do to set it up in conjunction with a phone is to plug one end of a cable that they are going to provide into the Huion Pen tablet. So in this example here, I have the HS64, but of course you can follow these general instructions with any other model. So you plug one end of the cable that they send into the tablet itself, and the other end is going to go into your mobile device. This can be an Android phone, an iPhone, it can be a tablet, iPad, whatever you have. Now, some older models are going to include a USB-A cable at the end. If needed, use an adapter. So in this example here, this Huion adapter is going to convert USB-A into USB-C, which can then be plugged in directly to the phone. If you have a Lightning port, then you might need an additional adapter or a different one that converts USB-A to Lightning. Figure out which adapter you need to use and plug it in accordingly. And of course, if you have a modern Huion tablet, it is possible that this end of the cable is going to be USB-C, and in that case, you won't need any adapters, you just plug it in directly. And of course, if you are using a standard PC or laptop, it's even simpler. You just plug it into any USB-A port. With this done, you are good to go. Now, unlike using this tablet on a PC or a laptop, you don't need to download the drivers. If you want to use and set it up on a PC or desktop, go to the Huion website, go to the download center, and you will find the drivers available for the HS64 or any other tablet that you have. Inside of the software, you will be able to control everything, but like I said before, it is designed to work natively with any smartphone, so just plug it in using the cable. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.